Okay, so originally I was gonna do an unboxing, but it unboxed for me. So when I got it in the mail, everything was broken open, but that doesn't matter, right? The game controller is dope. Look at it, right? Official Xbox joint. I mean, the buttons feel comfortable in my hand. Everything is smooth and official about it. You even got your plug-in so that you can plug in your headsets and turn it on and get it going. Gonna give this a run. But the key thing about this is you can buy one and you get one for free. When you order it in the mail, inside of the mail it gives you a bunch of cards, a bunch of pamphlets, and one of these cards, I'm not gonna show you, one of these cards will give you a free controller, just like you bought. So you buy one, you get one free.